What's up mga kaduday? Another day, another Memories Vlog. Holiday ngayon guys, Saturday dito. Holiday kahapon hanggang ano na. So, punta kami ngayon ng IKEA. Magkakain kami sa IKEA. Nababagot na kami sa bahay kasi war dito.
Kita mo na?
Hey,
Look at this music. Look at this
Daddy's here.
Guys, look at this music, guys.
What music? Already here. Nakapag-park na kami going inside. Shy on my vlog. But your vlog, you're not shy. Wow! Gusto ko tumingin ng cabinet. Yung gusto ko na cabinet. Sayang. We're going up the sleepy girl. Here we go. Breakfast at IKEA. Wow, that's your favorite. It's a Swedish restaurant.
Looking for lunch, right? Lunch.
Breakfast already finished? Ah, that side only. Breakfast. It's almost close.
Which one you like?
Dapat puno para sulit. Mati, ikaw. Eh? Here we go.
Mushroom then slice on mushroom like that. Beef po na, okay na po? Okay na. You're not saying.
Veggie. Ano ibig sabihin ng veggie? Salad, cake.
Ano naman po?
Chicken.
Like this one?
Rice. Rice. Today, lentil soup.
Wala kang lentil to?
To pay. Coffee sa akin, daddy. Coffee ka? Ah.
IKEA family membership.
456.
You're done? Oh, done na siya. Daddy. It's me, double coffee and that's it. Breakfast in IKEA. Breakfast and lunch.
Cheers.
Cheers. Tapos na kaming kumain. Papasok kami dyan. Kunwari, may bibilhin. wala kaming bibilhin. Tingin lang kami. Baka bibili kami ng bedsheet. Daming gamit sa bahay. Kalat lang. Hindi naman permanent bahay eh. So, check lang. Showroom. Upo, girl. Si relaxing girl. Pag nakakita ng upuan, upo. Naman si tamad.
No. Look at those moves. This is for you, mommy. I want to give you this one on Women's Day.
Oh, when is the Women's Day? It's already Women's Day. You're not giving me
There
anything.
you go.
But gusto ko sanang bumili ng table. Mahal pala yan. Mahal pala.
Except for
Table.
table.
Yeah. Opo, girl. Again.
That is
Gusto ko ilagay yung mga perfume dyan. Ito yung gusto ko din bilhin kaso mahal. $9.95. Lalagay ko yung perfume at saka bag. What is this? Why so mahal? Hintay na lang ako sa ano. Gusto ko ilagay yung mga bag at saka perfume. So mahal. Mahal naman. Mga table. Mga dining table.
wow,
And chairs. Set up. Okay. You're my model. Why so mahal? See, so mahal. 1,495. Oh my gosh. Dining table with 4 chairs. Caught in the act. Ang lit-lit ng cabinet. Mahal-mahal. Caught in the act. Wow, that's nice, Daddy. Hindi ka mapagod. I know you only wants to sit. Office na naman to. Mga chair. Yan yung mga price. So expensive. Ang mahal. Room, oh. Snake. And the animals.
Is that car? The python?
Python? Oh no. See?
But it's not me.
Isa lang yung nabili.
I just look this name.
Isa lang yung nabili ni Erica. Kasi may gamit na kasi sa bahay. Ano lang. Nagala lang talaga kasi kakabagot. What you going to buy, Daddy? Buy na. We'll buy chopping board kasi pangit na yung chopping board natin. Cutting board. Vitamin Care.
You can write a song. Like,
Oh, mga wine glass. $55 one box. 6 glasses. Why are you scared? You want to always like sira. Nadagdagan na yung mga namin. Bedsheet ni Erica, tag 29 lang. Diyan lang tayo sa mumurahin. Yung sa amin, mura lang. Mga pillowcase yan siya dyan. Mga protector. Dito naman is carpet. At saka mga rug, doormat, carpet, si sitting girl. Look at their carpet. Oh my God, so mahal. See, so mahal. So mahal carpet. Mahal. So mahal. On IKEA. Thank you for watching. See you to our next vlog. Love, love, love.